We got him. He's alive.
Is he alive?
Yeah.
And he's lost, searching for Kansas. Please help us, Lord.
Or I don't know. She's using her phone.
She doesn't have my number.
Oh,
The dog's moving.
are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what are you?
He's moving. I think he's just stuck in the mud. Can you see if there's a lock on that gate, please? Yeah. Thank you. It's locked. Is it a key lock or is it a code lock? Is there a code on it or is it a key?
It looks like you need
It's a key lock?
to open.
All right. I mean, he needs to get to a vet.
Yeah, definitely. I feel like they will need to drive him.
That's what I'm thinking. But I'm just trying to think if there's any way for like an ATV to get around, or if we can call the police and have them come and unlock it, or call the property owner.
I think that's what I think. Maybe something can carry it. Okay, the train is using to on his turn only.
What can we do?
Did you call him and see? Yeah.
I'm gonna call the police.
Wait. I mean, if they need water, maybe, or you can call. I have water. I mean, we have water.
All right,
He's kind of getting up because he wants food. I just want to make sure that he's not hurt.
I don't want to call while they're like.
I think he's typing stuff.
Okay. Okay. We got him. I need a hand. Please come in. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank God we got him. He's alive. Stuck in a hole like I thought. Gosh, thank you. Thank you.
Sit.
Stay there, Kansas.
That way,
I'm with him.
All right, buddy.
You're a good boy. He likes attention, but not like this.
Yeah.
Steer job, man. Stay here, buddy.